Welcome to the review of LG 1.5 ton AC. So this AC is fitted with a standard keyline stabilizer which also has a stop delay function. Though the AC comes with an inbuilt stabilizer, it is always better to use additional extra stabilizer. So the AC comes with this type of remote wherein here multiple functions are there. I will be explaining all these functions. So this second function is like these buttons are multiplexed with two functions. So first I am going to turn on the AC. So now you can see the LED screen on the AC. Now the compressor has also become turned on. So this is what the closed view display of the inbuilt LED screen. So now I am going to change the temperature from 26 to 25. So whatever right side that is changing, that temperature is nothing but the set temperature, whereas the left side temperature is nothing but the current room temperature. So this AC is non-inverter AC which comes with 10 years compressor warranty. Coming to the functions of the remote, this is the temperature lowering button and this is the temperature high increasing button. So this is the fan speed. This is when the fan speed, if you want 1, this is fan speed 2, fan speed 3. This is what is called fuzzy logic, wherein the fan speed varies depending on some fuzzy logic written in the microcontroller in this AC. So this is the swing. So now if you see, the blades are not moving vertically. This vertical lowering is stopped. So now I am going to press this button again. So now if you see, the vertical lowers are being moved up and down. So this is nothing but the turbo cool option. Now I am going to press it. So the fan speed is in the highest, and here jet is written, that is jet cooling is possible. And instead of temperature on the right side, which indicates the set room temperature, it is now showing PO, that is the fan now rotates at the highest possible speed for 30 minutes to give the maximum cooling possible set. So coming to the temperature that we can set, 18 is the lowest temperature that we can set and 30 is the highest temperature that we can set. So currently now I am setting it to a 25 or 25 degrees C. So here if you see in the remote, the other features are Intello I function. This is just like as I have showed you now, the vertical blades movement can be changed. This is for the horizontal blades movement. The bad point is there is no indication whether currently the vertical lowers and the horizontal lowers are present or not on this remote display. So these also comes with sleep function. It means that you can set a timer. Say now if you see, I have pressed the sleep button once, the timer shows 1 hour. So now I am going to press this button again. Now it increased to 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, 5, 6, 7. This is the last one. If I press again, now the sleep timer is cancelled. Sleep timer means, say if I set 1 hour, after 1 hour the AC becomes auto off. So apart from that, there is also other timer on and timer off. These are can be used by pressing the second function and then press this and set. These are for, say now the AC stabilizer is on and power is going, but the fan and the AC compressor are off. If I want to on the AC at a set time, then I can use these buttons. Also only fan you can run without turning on the compressor, or there is also a auto clean function. So when I press auto clean, this will come like this. The usage of this auto clean function is when I power off the AC, at that time only the fan will be running for 20 minutes to clean all the humidity present inside the AC. So coming to the AC performance, now we will be seeing about the AC performance. The breeze is very cold and it is definitely more than sufficient for a 15 by 15 room, 1.5 ton copper winding with 10 years compressor warranty. So the compressor comes with the extra coating, glossy golden type and aluminum plated alloy type coating, which prevents it from rust formation, so that easily the compressor lasts for nearly more than 10 years, and hence the company's confidence is shown here that it is giving 10 years warranty. Whereas if you see other ACs in the market like Amazon Basics or Blue Star or Onida, they are giving only 5 years or 3 years of warranty on the compressor, whereas LG and Samsung are the only two ACs available as on today in the market giving of 10 years of warranty. So the judgment is yes, you have to buy only LG or Samsung ACs because they are giving 10 years compressor warranty. Also, I am going to post the links to purchase this model of AC in Amazon. So this AC is also available in few other color variants. The current one which you are seeing is the grey color variant, grey and white colored variant. Thank you.